Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, one day while delivering the sermon, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O people, you will be assembled on the day of resurrection, barefooted, in the nude and uncircumcised. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited these words, as we made it first, we shall restore it. This is a promise on us. We shall necessarily do it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, the first one amongst all the creatures who will be clothed on the day of resurrection will be Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Hearken, some of the men of my followers will be brought, then the angels will drive them to the left side, hell. At this, I will say, O Lord, they are my companions. It will be said, you do not know by conjecture what they have innovated after you. Whereupon I will say, what a pious bondsman. Hazrat Isa, Jesus alayhi salam said, and I know of them as long as I remained in them. Then when you took me up, you were the watcher over them, and everything is present before you. And so it will be said, no sooner did you leave them, then they became apostate. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4625.